Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're focusing on a crucial component for anyone still relying on their Canoscan 8600F or 8600 flatbed scanner, the DICED AC adapter. If your original power supply is failing or lost, a reliable replacement is essential to keep your scanner running smoothly. This power supply cord PSU is specifically designed for these Canon models, promising a perfect fit and consistent performance. What truly distinguishes this DICED AC adapter is its unwavering commitment to safety and robust performance. It's not just a generic power brick. This product holds international quality certification, ensuring it adheres to top industry standards. This provides significant peace of mind, as the manufacturer has integrated numerous critical safety mechanisms. We're talking about comprehensive protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. These safeguards are vital for protecting both the adapter and your valuable scanner, ensuring stable operation even during extended scanning sessions and extending the unit's lifespan. Beyond safety, its performance is equally impressive. The input specifications are highly versatile, accepting AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This broad range makes it suitable for use in various regions without needing a separate voltage converter, offering considerable convenience. The adapter is engineered for high power exchange efficiency, which helps control the working temperature, preventing it from getting excessively hot. This contributes to the adapter's longevity and ensures a stable working environment for your scanner, paramount for consistent scanning quality. The fact that it meets UL specifications further underscores its quality and reliability. The design is straightforward and functional, presented in a sleek black color with a wall mount type, allowing it to plug directly into an outlet without fuss. It's a standard corded electric power source. While it might seem like a minor component, the importance of a stable and safe power supply cannot be overstated for sensitive electronics like flatbed scanners. A crucial reminder from the manufacturer is to please make sure that you choose the right device before purchasing. Always double-check your scanner model to ensure perfect compatibility with the Canoscan 8600F or 8600. Investing in the correct power supply isn't just about powering up your scanner. It's about protecting your equipment and ensuring its continued, reliable performance for years to come. This DICED AC adapter appears to be a solid, dependable choice for anyone needing a high-quality replacement or spare power supply for their Canon flatbed scanner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.